Hello once again, welcome to the continuation on the linear equation that I started with you in the previous videos. In the previous videos, I started teaching you about linear equation where I've done a detailed explanation on what linear equation is, and also we saw some examples on it as well. Okay, so I will advise that you watch the previous videos, particularly the first video, to get the foundation and the understanding, because I've done a detailed explanation on what linear equations are in the first video. Okay, and I've pointed out some key things also you are supposed to note in the first video. So please watch the first video to get the foundation and the understanding to handle this session as well, because in this session we are just solving more examples to help us understand it better. Okay, so this is example 3, so it means we've already done example 1 and 2. Okay, so watch those videos to get the foundation to be able to follow the examples that you are solving in this session as well. And don't forget, after watching the videos, please like the video and also share the video as well. Let's go ahead and solve the question that I have on the board. Okay, so example 3, it says solve the equation A. I have 5s plus 2 equals 2s plus 17. Okay, we are asked to solve for s, okay, in the equation, and solving for s simply means make s stand alone in the equation. Okay, it means that anything that is attached to the variable x, we will move it away. Okay, so that's the simplest way to understand. Okay, it's when you are given an equation to solve, it means make that variable stand alone, that variable they are talking about. Okay, so in this case we have s in it and we are being asked to solve for s. Okay, so it means we are making s stand alone, meaning everything that is attached to s, we will move it away. Okay, so let's go ahead, let me write my solution. Okay, and let's do, so I have 5s plus 2 equals 2s plus 17. Okay, we are solving for s, so you can see that we have 5s plus 2 equals 2s plus 17. So s is appearing on this side of the equation, s is also appearing on this side of the equation. So what do we do? It means we have to group like terms. Okay, so all that you have to do is what? Group like terms. You've learned about grouping like terms under the algebraic expression, so we are applying that here. And don't forget, I said that when anything crosses the equal sign, the sign changes. Okay, if it is positive and it crosses the equal sign, it changes to be negative, and if it is negative and it crosses the equal sign, it changes to be positive. Okay, so grouping like terms here, okay, we'll take into consideration the signs. Okay, anytime there's a movement across the equal sign, the sign have to change. Okay, so with this one, I'm grouping like terms, so this, I'll maintain the 5s here. Okay, then this 2s will cross the equal sign to come and join it. I said we are grouping like terms. Okay, so the sign here is positive, it is plus 2s, it crosses and comes here, it becomes minus. Okay, and we have a positive 2 also here, that one will also cross the equal sign, go and join the 17 that is there, because as I said, we are grouping like terms. Okay, so when I write my 5s, which is here, this positive 2s will cross the equal sign, come and join it, so it become minus 2s equals to the 17 is there, so write your 17 which is there, then this positive 2 will also cross the equal sign, go and join the 17 which is there, so it becomes minus 2. Please hope the understanding is clear. So very simple. Now we have like terms being grouped, so we can go ahead and simplify further. Okay, so 5s minus 2s will give me 3s. Okay, equals, bring your equal sign, 17 minus 2 will give you 15. Okay, so now the next step to get our value for s is that we divide through by the coefficient of s. Okay, so you can see that this 3 and the s, they are multiplying. Okay, so in this case, to get s stand alone, you have to divide through by the coefficient of s, which is the 3. So I'll divide here by 3 and divide here also by 3, so that this 3 and this 3 will cancel away. 3 goes here 1 and 3 goes into the 15 5 times. Okay, so you have your s equals to 5 over 1, and 5 over 1 is the same as 5. Okay, so your s equals to 5. Okay, so this is your value for s equals to 5. Please hope the understanding is clear enough. Okay, let's go ahead and tackle the b as well. Okay, so let me write my solution and let's do it together. So I have 9 minus 2s equals to 1 minus for s. We are solving for s in this equation. Okay, so solving for s simply means that make s stand alone in the equation. So everything that is attached to s, we'll move it away. Okay, but before that, you can see that we have s at this side of the equation, and there's also s at this side of the equation. So we have to group like terms. Okay, so I have minus 2s here and I have minus 4s here. So we group like terms. Okay, so what I'll do is that following, please follow, it's not difficult. So I'll group like them. So I'll maintain the 9 here, and this 1 will come and join it. Okay, and this minus 2s will go and join the minus 4s, which is there. Okay, but don't forget, when anything crosses the equal sign, the sign has to change. Okay, so now I'll maintain the my 9 here. This is positive 1. Okay, so when it crosses the equal sign and comes here, it becomes minus 1. Please hope the understanding is clear. The 9 is already there. The 9 didn't cross any equal sign, so we maintain it there. But this one is the one crossing the equal sign. So when it becomes minus 1, because it's positive here. So it becomes minus 1. Equals to my minus 4s is there. The minus is for the 4s. So write the minus 4s. Okay, it is there. Then this minus 2 will go and join it. Okay, it is minus here. When it crosses and goes there, it becomes positive. When anything crosses the equal sign, the sign changes. Okay, so minus 2s, it crosses there, it becomes plus 2s. Please hope the understanding is clear enough. Now 9 minus 1 gives me 8. Please hope you agree with me. 9 minus 1 gives you 8, equals to minus 4s plus 2s will give you minus 2s. Okay, please hope you understand it. Okay, so now the next step is that you divide through by the coefficient of s. Now the coefficient of s here is minus 2, not 2. It is minus 2. So you divide through by minus 2. Okay, so I'll divide here by minus 2 and here also by minus 2. So that this minus and this minus will cancel away first. Okay, then this 2 and this 2 will also cancel away. When I come here, this 2 goes here 1, okay, 2 goes here 1, and 2 goes here 4. Okay, so now let's write what we have left. Don't get confused, very simple, just write what you have left. Okay, I have 4 over minus 1 equals to s. Okay, but the minus affects the 4. Okay, so having 4 over minus 1, the minus affects the 4. So it becomes minus 4 over 1. And minus 4 over 1, it becomes minus 4. Okay, so you get minus 4 equals to s. Okay, I can see that you cannot see it also. Let me clean it and write it this side. Okay, so it means that I have minus 4 equals to s. Okay, so now this is my answer. It's the same as you saying that your s equals to minus 4. Okay, so please hope the understanding is clear enough. Thank you. Don't forget, like the video and also share the video as well. See you again in another video whilst we solve more examples. Bye bye.